How do I become an affiliate marketer? Today's video I show you how I became affiliate marketer and what I did at the beginning to learn all the stuff and all my mistakes as a complete newbie. Stay till the end to see how I would do it if I had to learn everything from zero. First of all, becoming an affiliate marketer isn't that hard. A lot of companies have affiliate programs, or there are special sites with affiliate products you can promote, like Clickbank or Digistore24. Popular affiliate program is Amazon. Just scroll down to the bottom and there's the sign become an affiliate, sign up. That's with a lot of companies. Just scroll down to the bottom or type in Google the company you like and affiliate program. You will find a lot of them. So that was the easy part. Next part is all the legal stuff. I don't know which country you're from. Just Google what you have to do, that everything is in order with the law. Now what I did, what you shouldn't do. I heard the topic affiliate marketing and searched it up online. I was wandering on YouTube and watched video after video. 2 or 3 months I just watched YouTube videos and got down the rabbit hole. I didn't do anything, just watching and watching, and every video I watched, it was more complicated. I didn't know where to start, what to do next, what to do first. It was a mess. I learned a lot of stuff, but I couldn't figure out what I should do and how to order the stuff I learned and what's good for beginners and what's the more advanced strategies. Then the next stage in my journey was the freebie seeker. I signed up for every email list where there was a freebie and where you can get this for free and the marketing plan this for free. That's all not the right way. You get a lot of information, but you don't get the right information. It helps you a little bit, but not to succeed in the online world. But one day on my YouTube searching journey, I came across a video. I reposted over here under Creative Commons license, so you can watch it too. And this video hooked me. I know I want to do affiliate marketing with this company, and the same day I joined their challenge on how to learn affiliate marketing, and they helped me to earn my first commission online. So that was a really good choice. Through that challenge I learned a lot about affiliate marketing and other affiliate marketing products you could promote or should promote to succeed in your online journey. That's where I did the affiliate bootcamp. It's free to join. I put a link down in the description. Now I tell you what I would do to start a lot faster, not to waste a few months on YouTube, to cut the learning curve and learn everything in about 10 to 15 days. But first I want to introduce you to today's sponsor of the video. It's me, there's no sponsor. So if you want to help this channel to grow, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. It costs you nothing and it will help me a lot. Now the way I would do to learn affiliate marketing, all the links are down in the description. First I would do the 15-day challenge. Then I would do the affiliate marketing bootcamp. It's free to join, but if you haven't done anything with affiliate marketing so far, it's too complicated, so I would recommend to do the 15-day challenge first. And if you want to succeed or stay on track, I would order the book The Slight Edge. It's a really good read and it will help you to do the little steps to put in the work and not to quit. And the fourth step, if you want to play around with an online website builder or funnel builder, check out the fourth link in the description. It gives you a 14-day free trial. Just play around, have fun. If you do it this way, your first commission will come a lot faster than it did for me. If you want to learn TikTok affiliate marketing, check out this video. There I'll explain how to do affiliate marketing with TikTok, where to get your products, how to promote them, and so on.